But this is the only theatrical released film that wasn't as bad. And however, when the film was test screened to a audience of 5 and 6-year-olds in LA, they didn't quite like it, or at least they wriggled and struggled, which is a shame. But like Richard Donner's Superman 2, his but it probably wasn't going to include the director's cut included as on it. Anyway. Okay, but how is the cut that made it to cinemas, the film that actually got finished and released? But how is the like I said, editing, in the editing room, some stuff was changed, and ultimately, actually, well, although Mank was going to voice James and Percy, and he was, and it's a bit confusing. Well, to be honest, if James. Anyway, so and his two partners, not Arian, but those are the wrong ones, and his two accomplices. Sadly, besides Thomas and James and Percy and Henry has some knowledge about. But yeah, despite. But yeah. But anyway, Mr. Who's pretty fun, and to be honest, I'm not sure how he unless. Anyway, and that's and the other, and apparently Billy Two Feathers here is and apparently in the show Billy Two Feathers they hadn't gotten a Native American to play him, so this time round, those who may not be comfortable with that, I don't know how. Hang on, no, that's not right. I was going to say, I don't know how uncomfortable you're going to be. So if as for other, and as mentioned earlier, Michael and Nancy Cartwright and there was another. And by the way, I do have to quickly come out of the film review and talk about the Thomas franchise generally. Keith Wickham as Sir Topham Hatt and Gordon in the UK dub, Sir Topham Hatt in the UK and US dubs, is probably the best casting that has ever happened. Anyway, so but but editing wise, because the movie is kind of jiggled about, it isn't perfect. Well, obviously it's not terribly well done. It's a bit all over me. And sadly, those changes kind of ruin the film a little bit. I think the film could have been a bit better. I think also because this film there's bits that feel like they're slow, and then there's bits that feel like they're long, and oh shit. There's bits that feel. Ultimately, this film is okay. I think, and ultimately, executive meddling and some not so very good decision. At least it didn't. At least it met its budget. So you could say that everything that could possibly have gone wrong, even some people. Thankfully, he had written. Actually, I won't talk about that. But yeah, that's. But because I did enjoy it, I think it's fun, of course, and you can check that review out of now. But ultimately, the movie isn't that. It's good, and it'll be satisfying. Before we wrap up, I actually would like to say that I actually also, or even not even friends, maybe just what's the word? Not associated? No. Acquaintance and became an actual character. This is a quick additional bit for the review, I think. Got some great. Oh shit. So yeah, that's my opinion on the movie. And as I was talking about my guilty pleasure fun and I was also talking about this film, the Thunderbirds movie, and the Doctor Who TV movie, kind of like guilty pleasures of the franchises. I like guilty pleasure movies of those franchises. One of those. But I think they helped, and yeah. But I think they helped. So anyway, so back to me to wrap. But I think they helped. Right, so I'm done there. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, now I've got a problem. There we go. Action. Action. Take 3. Take 4. Okay. Okay.
Aha! There's the blue puffball, and look who he's with. Splodge! Come and destroy.
The camera's in the wrong position. There we go, that's better. Okay. Take 2. Action. Splodge! Come and destroy. No. We don't like you. No. In fact... Oh, hang on. Nah, I got that wrong. Actually, we should go from Splodge, come and destroy. Splodge! Splodge! Come and destroy. No. We're not helping you anymore. No. In fact, we don't even like you. Ha. Fuck. Okay. Action. Action. Splodge! Come and destroy. No. We don't like you. No. In fact, I got that wrong again. We're not helping you anymore. In fact, we don't even like you. Okay, action. Splodge! Come and destroy. No. We're not helping you anymore. No. In fact, we don't even like you. Not at all. Might do one more take of that, just be on the safe side. Splodge! Come and destroy. No. Sorry, my finger got in the way. Splodge! Come and destroy. No. We're not helping you anymore. No. In fact, we don't even like you. No. I don't think I'm doing splatter and dodge very well. Last try, unless I screw it up. Okay. Run, lady. Run, lady, and I'm going to help. That line doesn't quite work, I'm sorry. Run, lady, and run, lady. Run, lady. Sorry, this particular Thomas toy doesn't want to roll as well. Maybe I should get one of the other ones. That's better. Shit. Okay, here we go. Okay, he's on the roll. Go. Wait. No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you. Serious. No, you won't, because the magic you believe... There's only got one line on page 3. I'll leave you. Yeah, that'll do. I think I added the source bit in, but I think that's actually more faithful to the actual scene. Oh, help.
Now I'll get you, bugger. Now I'll get you, Bernard Stone.
Might do that one more time. Drop it. Okay.
Now I'll...
Bugger. Windowsill's not the best place for these. The one downstairs is.
I do believe in your magic. I want to destroy it. I do believe in your magic. I want to destroy it.
One more time, but loud. Almost. I'm going to get across the length of the entire thing. Okay. Action.
Oh, my giddy aunt.
Oh, that's live. Okay. For your viewing pleasure. And then we've got the other line for scene 2. Okay, that was the second Doctor for opening sketch. I hope so. Come on, lady. Damn these wheels. That's better. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Little engines can do big things. Yeah, okay. Come on. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Come. Little engines can do big things. Little engines can. That was. Oh, I'm just waiting. Okay, go.
That was close. That was close. That was close. Hey. That was close. Phew. 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 Zoom out. Phew. 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 One more just to be on the safe side because of the hand. Ooh, almost. Okay, just gonna have to push him. Hey, wait, hold on. Aren't you supposed to be on a beach somewhere? Like Boldy, I've been given a second chance. Also, the producers needed a bard. Hang on, I'm going to start that again. Okay, I'm going to start again. Yay, we escaped! Hey. Oh, hold on. Okay. I can't actually see the face. Okay. One more. We're trying that one. Hello. I am so recording this.
Okay, this is the James Bond bits for for the opening scene. Yes. Yes. And I've booked it for 7 o'clock. Well, I booked it, okay. Yes. No, it's not that. Yes. Loop on the third light for Magic Railroad opening sketch. Okay. Hey, hold on a minute. I booked the clock. Hold on a moment. I booked the bed for 3 o'clock. Hey, hold on a moment. I booked the clock for... Enjoy. 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 Yeah, good luck with that. I've only got 2 hands. And I need one. I only got 1 hand. Good idea. Action. Good luck with that. I shall. Ow. Always have enough space. Action. Yeah, good luck with that. Fuck you. Action. Action. Right, okay. Seems safe. Thomas and the Magic Railroad sketch love scene. Okay, action. You've come a long way. Actually, I'm going to cut that. I think I'm going to cut it there. No, keep doing it. One last puff. Oh, yes. Choo, choo. One last. That'll do. I'll do. Oh. Silly engines. Silly, steamy little engines. Silly engines. Silly little engines. Silly little steam engines. Actually, I'll do that again. So, what did you guys think of the movie? Percy, you absolute genius! This was a brilliant movie! Excuse me, okay, start again. Action. So, what did you guys think of the movie? Actually, you should be confident.
Where was I? Shh. Where was I? Shh.
Yes, I do. Yes, so do I. I like writing trains and trams. Okay. This is for the closing sketch. James Bond, as played by Sean Connery. Yes. So do I. Yes. So do I. I do like riding on trains and trams. Let's do that one again, just to be on the safe side. Yes. So do I. I do like riding. Yes. So do I. I do like riding. Yes. Let's do that. The second half again. Yes. Yes. I do like riding trains and trams, after all. Okay, so... Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to catch my train. I think it's over there. Okay, take 2 seconds. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to catch my train now. I think it's over there. Do one more take just to be on safe. After the car goes past. Cars are noisy on this street. Okay. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to catch my train now. I think it's over there. Do one more take just to be on the safe side. That first take actually felt the best. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to catch my train now. I think it's over there. One more just for safety. Now, if you don't mind, I would like to catch my train now. I think it's over there. Keep muddling on that last bit. And that was the second Doctor for the closing sketch. Okay, this is the Lupin bits for the Braddock Railroad end sketch. Yeah, I do too. I don't want to keep people waiting. Can we do it? Oh, for a second. I'm going to do a second take, but I'm going to try a bit more improv. Might sort that out in a bit. After the camera. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so do I. Got a few things to do. Yes, no, yeah. Yeah, so do I. Got things to do. Yeah, so do I. Got things to do. Thanks again for taking the express for me whilst I take Diesel 10 to train jail, I think. No problem, Gordon. I'll get you for this. Shut up! Express coming through anyway. Express coming through. You forgot the coaches. Excuse me. Thank you for helping out on the Oh, that's my cue. I've got to go. I have to stay on time and everything. Bye, lady. I'll see you. Bloody sorry.
And that's my cue. Gotta stay on time. Bye, lady. I'll see you later. See you later, Thomas. Ah! Annie and Clarabelle, what are you doing? Don't get jealous of coaches. Oh, bugger, 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 bugger. Ah. Yep. Ah. Yep. He's a really useful engine. Also, that was my whistle. Again. Ah. Yes. He's a really useful engine. Also, that was my whistle. Actually, I got a better joke. I got a better joke. Ah. Oh, heck. Hang on. Just focus on James, actually. Go us! Woo! Little engines can do big things. Things are going to change. Puffball. I'll save a seat for you.
Like this.
Take two. I'll save a seat for you. 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 One last go. One of the car goes past. Look at the Thomas. Look at the Thomas. Woo! Okay. I'll save a seat for you. 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 Right, that'll do. I'm going to be so annoyed with myself in the editing. This summer, take a magical trip. Oh, fuck. This summer, take a magical trip to a world unlike any other. An enchanting place where adventure is only a whistle away. Nick Payne presents Nick Payne, Nick Payne, Nick Payne, and Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and the Magic Railroad Review. Coming to YouTube, summer 2020. Coming to YouTube. Coming to YouTube. Oh, seriously? It's just what? It's just. It's 3 words and a year. How? Okay, just let this bloody thing pass. Some days it's quiet, and some days you get really loud ones. Okay. Coming to YouTube. Okay, technically it's 4 words. Coming to YouTube, summer 2020. Coming to YouTube, summer 2020. Yeah, there you go. I'll do. Action. Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Nicholas Payne bonus content YouTube channel.